Hello guys, this is binaryoptions.net.au. As you can see, it is the 5th of January, and as of today we are starting on the binaryoptions.net.au on the website and of course on the official YouTube channel a series of trading strategies that work. Will be a bit different than anything you might find over the internet regarding trading materials, in the sense that we're going to have 3 to 4 or to 5 recordings, and these recordings will be bundled by a 2,000 words text that will be published on the website on binaryoptions.net.au, and will explain one way to trade using specific things. We'll go into Elliott waves on more details on specific situations. We'll go and analyze different indicators and how to trade binary options based on that, and so on and so forth. On each and every week we will have such a project to be uploaded on the website, to be uploaded on the YouTube channel, and if you are following us on Twitter at binaryoptions AU, then you will see that all these recordings are going to be tweeted there, as of course there is no let's say a requirement for seeing them. Now, on the Euro US dollar, this is a 1 hour chart, but the strategy that I'm going to start with is being called trading with the RSI. Any trader knows what RSI means. Well, RSI means relative strength index. What I'm going to show you here is 2 different ways to deal with the relative strength index, and it can go on any time frame and on any currency pair, and actually on any asset that you decide to trade binary options with. This is the first part, and we'll have 4 different parts. First of all, in order to attach, or in order to use the relative strength index, you need to attach it to a chart, and this is the JForex platform offered by the Dukascopy. This is a demo account, and under the Dukascopy platforms, basically the RSI indicators is here, add indicator, and then you'll go on the momentum indicators and you look for the relative strength index. It should come to relative strength index. All the time use the 14 period, the default one, as this is the one that is most likely to be used by any traders and offered by any brokers in this world. By clicking OK, you will have the RSI applied to this chart. You can make it a bit bigger, as you can see, and it comes with the 70 and the 30 level. So this is the RSI when you use the JForex. But if you use the Metatrader, like the Metatrader being the most popular and widely spread trading platform in the world, the RSI goes into Insert and then Indicators. Under the Oscillators tab, you'll have the Relative Strength Index. And by clicking the Relative Strength Index out of this series, you'll have it applied to your chart. So by just clicking Relative Strength Index, and let me clear these levels here, and if you click OK, the parameters here should be also the 14 period to be the default one. Clicking OK, and you'll have the relative strength index apply to the chart. So regardless of the time frame, be it a 5-minute chart or the 4-hour charts or a daily chart, the relative strength index, it is applied the same on Metatrader or on the JForex here. Now, as you can see, even on the Metatrader and the JForex, the 70 and the 30 levels are the levels to be offered, let's say, for granted or on standard standard settings, the default settings. And I would like to start with the first interpretation of the RSI. Now, the RSI, it is being interpreted as offering 2 different values, the 30 level and the 70 level. The 70 level is considered to be overbought, so price that goes in the 70 level is considered to be overbought, and when price is going into, or the RSI, the oscillator, is going into the 30 level, is considered to be oversold, and buying will be the logical thing to do. So On the 70, this is considered to be overbought, so we need to look for shorting the pair or buying put options. And of course, whenever price is coming into the 30 level, we are supposed to look to buy call options as price should go and move to the upside. Now you might say, okay, how to trade binary options based on that? Well, you can trade binary options based on that with different expiration dates based on the time frame that you are using. Question: is this valid all the time? No. As you can see, or when price is trending in strong moves, the 70 and the 30 levels are being reached quite often, and price still will continue to move into that direction without the levels to mean, let's say, overbought or oversold territory. But more details regarding this we'll have on the next recording. Now we just showed you how to use or how to apply the relative strength index on the JForex and of course on the Metatrader, and what is the basic interpretation. So again, the basic interpretation is that anything that goes above 70 should be considered overbought, so we need to buy put options, and anything that is considered that travels below the 30 should be considered a oversold area, and we need to buy call options as we're looking for higher values. Now, to see how we are going to trade this one, please watch the next recording, which will be the second part out of these 4 parts, trading strategies that really work. So stay tuned, please. Again, this is binaryoptions.net.au, and we started a trading strategies that work. Our first trading strategy is trading with the RSI, Relative Strength Index. Stay tuned, please, for the second part.